high-speed racing coilover and Super Pro bushing, roll center kit, front control arm, rear tow arm, number of other items, full install. A few weeks ago, my car's actually at a shop right now getting the rear fenders rolled, because with 265 tires and how low I went, which wasn't extremely low, it still rubs on my rear tires. I was actually just told that the fender rolling went good. I'm going to pick the car up tomorrow, but even though this video I've actually recorded at the end of the process, this will be the beginning of a small all-encompassing video library documenting all the processes and steps that I took to actually do the full install of this entire suspension, brakes, coilovers, the full setup, start to finish. I didn't do super detailed on every little bit and every little bolt turn, but this should give you a general idea of the whole process, how it is doable in your driveway. Other than the bushings, it's pretty easy. Install just takes time, and you will need wheel cribs or some way to get under your car with your car suspension fully loaded on the ground. I use wheel cribs, but I'm sure a wheel rack or something would work fine. So anyway, this will start off the full multi-series videos. Hopefully you'll tune in and take a look, and this may help some other people, give you a general idea of what all is involved. All right, see you.